What's up guys, my name is Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing my first challenge video, so I'm super excited. It is a Halloween decor challenge being hosted by Remodelaholic. So thank you Remodelaholic for hosting this and letting me be a part of it. I will have a link at the end of the video. It'll link to the playlist with everybody who's participated, and you can go binge watch all their videos and see what cute stuff everybody came up with. So thank you again for letting me be part of this. I am so in love with Halloween. It's my favorite holiday, so I'm super excited to do my first Halloween video. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell notification. That way you'll get notified of all of my future uploads. I'm still, new around here. I do cake adventures, craft adventures, and I'd love to have you as part of my adventure here. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's go and jump into our first Halloween video. Alright, to get started we just need a clay pot and lid, a glass bowl, cork, some decorative glaze, black and orange paint, E6000 glue, and some raffia twine. And then we can go ahead and get started. I just grabbed my terracotta pot, clay pot, and put 2 coats of orange paint on both the pot and the lid. Alright, so once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and get the face on the bottom here. So I just grabbed my pot and pencil and traced it out. That way I had an idea for painting and wasn't winging it. So just grabbed a pencil, traced out a simple jack-o'-lantern face. You can get creative here, do whatever design you want. If you want to write trick or treat or do a different pumpkin face, you can really do whatever you want here. And then next up, we're just going to grab our decorative glaze. You'll notice I use this in a lot of my projects, this or stain, but I just love the effect it gives, and it kind of just gives more of a rustic feel to everything. So just grab that and rubbed it all over the pot and the lid, and that way it just kind of roughs it up and gives it a really nice finish. Alright, so next up we can add our glass bowl. You're just going to add some E6000 to the top of your pot, grab your bowl and push it down on there. Make sure it's sealed on there and centered where you want it, because once that E6000 dries, it's pretty strong stuff. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and do the same thing with the cork on the lid here. That'll be our little handle. So I just grabbed some more glue and threw it on there, and then we're going to grab our raffia twine, and I just grabbed a couple of strands of it, and we're going to wrap it around, and it just kind of adds a nice little decorative touch to the top there. Trim it down a little bit and we'll be good to go. Alright, so last part here, we're just going to grab, I have some candy corn here. I love the colors in this, so I figured I would use it. So we're just going to grab our candy. You can put whatever you want in it, throw our lid back on, and our candy jar is good to go. So this is a very simple, easy, cheap project to do, and I just think it's an adorable little Halloween decoration. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you, and let's jump into the outro. Alright, so that's it, guys. This is my little Halloween candy jar. So I love it. I think the candy corn looks adorable in there. And I just want to say thank you again to Remodelaholic for hosting this Halloween decor challenge and letting me be a part of it. It was super fun. So I am going to go put this back onto my dining room table and finish off my dining room table decorations. And don't forget, I will have a link to the playlist. You can go check it out and watch everybody else's stuff too. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you on the next adventure.